another rainy day in Chicago. Didn't really get to go out much today. Brought some lunch to work because I'm trying to save money. And yeah, not too much going on right now. This year, I'm trying to live my life as though this is the last year I've got left to live. I know that sounds a little bit macabre, but there are some things that I've been wanting to do, and I'm trying to get to a certain place, and this year I want to put everything I can into getting to that place. And this vlog's part of that. Just being able to maintain and post something every day, it's definitely part of it. And the weekend challenges and the other things that I've been doing, it's all to try and get to those goals and make certain things happen this year. And I've been pushing myself more in the past 6 months than I have since I don't know when, probably a very long time ago. Sometimes you get on the poo train. After work today, it got pretty cool, and that was actually a welcome change. Ended up talking to my dad for about a half an hour about all the stuff he's got going on. Looking forward to getting down and seeing him for Christmas. That's about it for Monday.
Or even